Hey everybody, it's Dr. Fish is the Mad Scientist. Guys, today I made the do-it-yourself light up Butterfinger car with sound. This is a really cool build and I enjoyed building it. I'm gonna show it to you guys working first. It's really cool, guys. For this, I had to take a Butterfinger tin. These wheels I got off an old toy. I had to cut a straw and hot glue gun it to the front and the back. This is a switch. It's actually on for the headlights. Off, on. This little grill comes off an old toy. This right here actually came off an old toy too for the windshield. I added plastic for the windshield effect. I put a little visor on it. Came off an old pair of sunglasses. 2 red finger lights in the back. Hot glue gun to popsicle stick. This is Butterfinger Bits candy. This actually opens up. You can actually put money and stuff in there. It's pretty cool. This is circuitry out of an old toy. It makes a little sound like this. Little vial. There's another switch right here for the light. Off, on. It's a really cool build, guys. In the back, I put a little wrapper. I really like this thing, man. It's really cool. That's the do-it-yourself Butterfinger light-up car with sound. Really cool, man. Always be original, creative, and explosive, guys. See things that other people don't see and make cool stuff like this. Like the do-it-yourself light-up Butterfinger car with sound. Some look at the circuitry. It's all glued on there. I had to add a rubber band here to hold the batteries tighter for this switch right here. Very cool. I really enjoyed making this. This is awesome. I've made remote control cars. I've made DC motor cars. I just wanted to make a light up car with sound. This is really cool. It's the do-it-yourself light up Butterfinger car with sound. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Dr. Fish out.